G'day guys, Jace, Ninja, and Darcy here. Today we're talking chronic hamstring pain. So we're working into Darcy's hammy, so we're treating up high into that tendon. But yeah, if you're struggling with chronic hamstring pain or any sort of pain in the body, we're currently running a competition where you can win flights and accommodation, trip to Australia and spend a week with us. So we actually do this for a living. We're not just YouTube stars. We treat chronic pain, don't we, Ninja? But yeah, this is legit work that we do. And yeah, we're offering a chance for you guys out there. So anyone that purchases the MMT 2024 calendar goes in the running to win the competition, which will be drawn on January 1. So yeah, we actually want to give back to you guys out there that comment, like, subscribe, follow us online. So yeah, this is a chance where you can come and experience this body work. We can treat your whole body. We can take you through our barefoot exercise training, build your strength up, or whatever you need. It can be tailored to you. But yeah, a week in Melbourne, flights and accommodations are covered by us. So yeah, get on board and change your life. That's why we're giving this opportunity out. So we can flush your hammies, fix your pain, whether it's hamstring, back, glute, neck, groin, whatever it is. We treat all sorts of pain, and that's what we're demonstrating here today.
I don't even think we get treatment once. We just get treatment once a week, but man, it feels so good to be. Look, obviously I'm getting treatment from both Ninja and Jason right now. So look, you could get this as well, like a double person treatment, which we actually don't do on any of our practitioners. We just do it on our videos because it gets us all involved, but we are actually trying to look. We've done it in immersion.
Might have got the deluxe package.
We've done it in. Ninja. Yeah.
Getting into the. So it's not just a hamstring treatment, Jace.
Yeah.
Doing some
we're treating his neck as well.
Really important work over here as well.
So we're chronic hamstring and chronic neck, whatever you need, guys. We do it all.
Darcy's got a real neck complaint
yeah.
here that he wants fixed.
Yeah.
Trying to get it manipulated, and it didn't quite.
Need to seek a few angles in here, like we do. So yeah, like we're saying, like we don't. This is what we do for real. We specialise in chronic pain. So things that have been stuck in people's bodies for decades, perhaps, where we pride ourselves in being able to help people like that and being able to find the spots that are really key or integral to, the pain.
The money spots.
Staying there, yeah. And so we want to actually engage with those spots in a manner that is effective and releases it off and melts it down, puts the body in a position where it can heal itself. So that's the problem a lot of times. It's a stalemate. The body loves you no matter what, but sometimes it just needs a little bit of a hand. It's blocked up. It needs a plumber to come in and sort things out for you. So yeah, a lot of times you just don't have the tools,
the resources,
do things yourself.
Yep.
So working with somebody I think is a really important thing to kind of note. Like we say, we don't work on people, we work with people. So we don't want to inject what we think onto them. We want to work and collaborate with them.
Facilitate.
And we facilitate. We try and find the spots that they need to be worked and get that to a point where they can participate in some exercise and some movement that will keep them from getting that pain back. So break that cycle. There is we're kind of really aware. I've got to say cognizant. Couldn't say that. Couldn't spit it out. But
cognizant.
Cognizant. We're really aware that the stress that's involved with pain, that's traumatic, and if you've had an accident or, if it is stress-based, then you need to work with somebody that, really wants to tunes in and cares about you and wants to listen to you. Why are you kind of in that cycle of stress and pain and things like that?
Just hands-on bodywork, isn't it?
Yeah. So
It's a trust element in there as well.
So you need trust if you're going to go into these areas that are really blocking you kind of need to be able to talk about things and to be able to understand the stress, which is a really important thing. So you can kind of process things and not be so one-sided about your story around it and balance it out, because that's sort of what happens when you're emotional. You're blind to other things because it's just so apparent to you that that's just one way it is. You're not kind of seeing any benefits, or if the pain is through infatuation, like you're not seeing the downsides, and your body's just a lot of times trying to inform you that there is an imbalance there going on with your perceptions, and yeah, we can help you bring that back. But a lot of times it's through the fascia work that will help you get back on track and help you heal. Yeah, that's my little speech.
Yeah, bloody good. Come and have a
Like
look
that.
at his hammy again, Leo. We've
Yeah, come
slowly
back,
worked
look
our way
back
down.
to Jace, back to the
I've been, so we've been going from nearly 10 minutes now, and I've slowly worked my way down to the mid belly here. But yeah, a lot of the time with chronic hamstring pain, it actually starts up in this attachment. So that's why, yeah, we really hook in under that glute fold and really target that tendon and work to break down that solidified tissue up there.
It's really good, Jace. I'm getting lots of referral pain. You can feel like, I don't know, I've never torn my hamstring, or I've never torn any soft tissue. Like, I've had little awareness where I've missed games of footy for a week or so. But I want to explain like what I'm feeling for those that haven't had it. Ninja's stuff's really sore. We were doing some wrestling at footy training last night. One of the boys put me in a headlock and my head hit the ground. And it's sore from that. But back to the Jason's treatment, the slowness of his stroke going down the hamstring. Earlier, it's like he went over like it feels like a big knot, like field of water, which is basically blood, and it feels like a water bomb or a balloon filled with water. And before, he sort of sat on it and just went over it and didn't really like sit on it and sink into it. And then the last stroke, he sat on it and like burst the balloon, and it just felt like this rush of blood. It fixed my pain. It got rid of so much just in that one instance. So that could be something that your body's full of, all these little knots that are built up. They're sticky, they're bound, they're hard to clear or clean out unless they can be identified and taken notice of and pushed into.
It's funny you mentioned footy, Darcy. I actually had an American client from South Dakota today that's in Melbourne for 2 days, and he came in for treatment, and he said, I've got one question for you. I've just never understood. What is footy? And when we refer to footy, we're talking about Australian rules football, which is we kick an oval-shaped ball through 2 sets of goalposts. The big ones are 6 points, the small ones are 1 point. You're aiming for the big ones, obviously, for the bigger score. And you run around. You can run up to 15 Ks in a game. You can go anywhere in the field. You can kick it, handball it, which means you punch the ball off your palm. You can tackle, so full contact, no body armour or helmets, or very few helmets.
Go and watch some highlights.
That's a quick rundown of what footy is when we refer to footy. So any Americans out there, Australian rules football is what we mean by that. That's just my 2 cents to add in. But yeah, we've slowly worked our way down to this whole hammy. So yeah, don't forget, buy the calendar, go in the running to win our New Year's competition, so you can come and get flights, accommodation, a week with MMT, fix your pain, go through fitness, go through lifestyle, whatever it is, we'll help you out, guys. Get on board.
Get it done. Buy the calendar.